I'm trying to wrap presents, but somebody is making that very hard. Ow, Pris. I need to wrap presents, Pris. And it's not a present for you. You're going on the naughty list. You're not getting any presents this year. I need to wrap a present with that. I need to wrap a Christmas present. You're definitely going on the naughty list.